improvise. That's good.
You made me forget. I was too busy looking at you. So, I go bum. Oh, that was embarrassing. Don't do that. You made me mess up. Now I forgot what I was doing. Oh, yeah. You're only on that part? Dang, that's at the end. Oh, okay. Shimmy. Yeah. Shimmy.
Grace has gone crazy.
All right, can we go?